Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I'll be drafting a puff cap sleeve pattern. Hi, my name is Ayo. Welcome to 011 Clothing's tutorials. I hope you are all fine and doing great. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you. I'll be working with the following items: calculator, ruler and curves, tape measure. Ideally, a pencil should be used to draft a pattern, but for tutorial purpose, I'll be using this green marker pen, pens, a pair of scissors, pattern paper. I'll be working with the following measurements: sleeve length 10 inches, bust circumference 39 inches, around sleeve measurements 11 inches. So what I intend to do now is to draft a basic sleeve pattern. So I have here my pattern paper, which is already on fold. I will now go ahead and mark a margin of 2 inches at the top of the pattern paper. I will square out the line across like this. This is the starting line. From the starting line, I will go ahead and measure out the desired sleeve length, which is 11 inches. I will square out the line like this. I will now estimate the cap height using the formula bust circumference all over 12 plus 1.5 inches, which is equal to 39 all over 12 plus 1.5, which gave me 4.7 inches. From the starting line, I will measure out the cap height value, which was estimated earlier, and this is 4.75 inches. I will square across the line like this. I will now go ahead and estimate the around armhole value. I will use the formula bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5 inches, which is equal to 39 divided by 6 plus 1.5, which gave me 8 inches. So this is the cap height line. On the cap height line, I will measure and mark 8 inches like this. I will connect these 2 points together like this using a slanted line. I will now go ahead and divide the slanted line into 4 equal sections. I will raise this point by half an inch. I will lower this point by half an inch also. Using my French curve, I will go ahead and curve this side using the half an inch as a guide. We also curve this lower part like this, also using the half an inch as a guide. Using a tracing wheel, I will now go ahead and trace the armhole curve to the other side of the pattern paper. Remember that the pattern paper is on fold. I will now divide the round sleeve measurement by 2, which is 11/2, which gave me 5.5 inches. So on this line, which is actually the hem of the sleeve, I will measure and mark 5.5 inches like this. I will connect the 2 points together like this. I will now go ahead and trace out the remaining part of the sleeve using a tracing wheel to the other side of the pattern paper. I will now open up the pattern paper like this. I will make the side which I have already traced out more visible by using my marker pen, my ruler, and my curve. I will now draw the cap height line for this side. I will also draw the middle line like this, the middle line of the sleeve like this. So you can use the sleeve like this, but if you want to differentiate the front part of the sleeve from the back, you have to mark the middle point of the armhole like this. Then you now mark 1/2 inch inwards from the middle point. I will now redraw the armhole curve like this, using the 1/2 inch as a guide. So this will be the front, while this side will be the back of the sleeve. I will now go ahead and cut out the basic sleeve pattern. So now that the basic sleeve pattern has been drafted, I will now go ahead and alter it into a puff cap sleeve pattern. To make this type of sleeve, you must not make use of the old cap of the sleeve. So I will go ahead and measure what I want to use for the cap sleeve, which in this case is 4 inches. So I will measure and mark 4 inches like this on both sides of the sleeve. I will follow the curve of the armhole while measuring the 4 inches. I will connect the 2 points together with a straight line. Make sure that it is a straight line. I will now go ahead and cut it out. So this cutout piece is all that we need for the cap sleeve. So from the lower part of the sleeve, on the middle line, I will measure 1 inch upwards like this, and I will mark the 1 inch. I will now connect the 1 inch mark to the 2 sides like this. I will now go ahead and cut open the sleeve following this direction. I will cut it open like this, but I won't cut it all the way to the end. So I've already drawn this middle line on this new pattern paper. I will now go ahead and place the sleeve in such a way that the middle line of the sleeve matches up with the middle line of the pattern paper. I will pin it in place. You can spread out this upper part as much as you wish, in as much as it doesn't distort the shape of the sleeve. For instance, you can use 2 inches from the middle line on both sides of the sleeve. You can pin in place, I will now connect these upper parts using my free hand, or you can use a French curve if you prefer using a French curve. I can also decide to use just 1 inch from both sides of the middle like this. I will also connect the upper parts using free hand, but you can also use a French curve for this. I will now go ahead and cut out the puff cap sleeve pattern. So this is what the cap sleeve looks like. I'll go ahead and remove the cutout piece from the main pattern piece. I'll remove it. So this is the front and this is the back. So that's it guys, we are done. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye and thank you for watching.